Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, I have purchased this tripod from Flipkart and now I am going to unbox this tripod. So let's check. So friends, this is the tripod 3110. So friends, this is the tripod. This is the mobile holder or camera holder. You need to lose this screw so that you can move it, increase or decrease the length. Now you need to, if you want to increase the length, then you need to unlock this, open the locks like this, and then just pull, see, and then again lock here. Similarly unlock this. The tripod is almost 1 meter long. See, this is the tripod. Now you need to fix this mobile holder or camera holder. You need to fix this camera holder in here. This is the adjust level. You can adjust whether it is inclined or declined or sea level. So now put this here. Now you need to fit your mobile camera here. You can fit either this way or this way. See, your tripod is ready. If you want to rotate, just loose this screw so that you can rotate. See, you can rotate the tripod in 360 degree. You can also adjust this screen like this, and then you need to tighten the screw like this. See. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.